Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have to simplify the expression. Now the expression is given as minus of 2b minus 3 multiplied by minus of 3b plus 2, and then we have minus of multiplied by 3b plus 1. Let's check it. Minus of 2b minus 3, okay, minus of 3b plus 2, okay, and 3b plus 1. Now what we have to do is we have to take two brackets at a time and solve it, and then we have to multiply it with the third pair of bracket. So let's put it in a secondary pair of brackets. So minus of 2b minus 3 multiplied by minus of 3b plus 2, and then we have 3b plus 1. So minus of 2b multiplied by minus of 3b will give us 6b square. Then minus of 2b multiplied by 2 will become minus of 4b. Minus of 3 multiplied by minus of 3b will become 9b. And minus of 3 multiplied by 2 will become minus of 6. And after that we have 3b plus 1. So 6b square plus 9b minus 4b is plus 5b. And then we have minus of 6. And after that we have 3b plus 1. Now we have to individually multiply each terms present within the first pair of brackets with each of the terms present within the second pair of brackets. So let's begin from 6b square. So 6b square multiplied by 3b will give us 18b cube. Then 6b square multiplied by 1 will be simply 6b square. Again 5b multiplied by 3b will give us 15b square, and 5b multiplied by 1 will be 5b. Then minus of 6 multiplied by 3b will give us minus of 18b, and then we have minus of 6. So ultimately we will have 18b cube, 6b square plus 15b square will become 21b square, and then minus of 18b plus 5b will become minus of 13b, and finally we have minus of 6. So this will be our final required answer. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.